Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Google Drive storage. Your Google storage is shared across Drive, Gmail and Google Photos. And to check your storage, you want to go to drive.google.com. You want to look at here, so you can see I already have 2 gigabytes out of 2 terabytes. And if you click on this, click on storage, it's going to show you also which app takes the most. So you can see the Google Drive is around 1.5 gigabytes. Now, if you want to get more storage, you can click on this get more storage. It should redirect you to the page where you can buy it. But we don't want this. So this is the way how you can check your storage. Now, if you want to clean this, you can click on this cleanup space and it will redirect you again to different page. And you're gonna see some suggestions. So for example, I have 700 megabytes in the bin. So what I can do, I can click on review and it's basically in the bin. So I can remove this because I'm not going to use them. If you don't remove the files from your bin manually, like me now, it will be removed after 30 days. Now you can go here down and clean up by the service. So you can maybe clean up your Gmail. So here it's going to show you again some categories like emails in the bin, spam emails. So what I can do, I can remove all spam emails, permanently delete, and now we cleaned something from our Gmail. So this is basically how you can check your Google Drive storage. And it's that simple. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.